It's so good to be here with you again today. And you know, our seasons have changed. And spring is here. Finally, it's one of my favorite seasons. And I've noticed some changes outside. I bet you have too. What are some changes that you have noticed now that it's spring? I heard you. Did you say that you saw flowers blooming? I did too. How about leaves coming back to the trees, onto the trees? I saw that too. And the grass is turning greener now. And the birds have been waking me up every morning. But it's such a beautiful sound. I really enjoy it. So, one thing we want to talk about today is all about plants. What do plants need? Well, if you said rain, you were right. Plants need rain because it provides them with the water that they need in order to grow. Plants also need light. And where do they get their light from? From the sun. Nice warm sunshine. And finally, what's the last thing that we know that plants need? Oh, you got it. They need food. And where do they get the food from? From the soil, from dirt. Dirt has minerals and vitamins that the plants need in order to help them to grow. So let's talk about a plant, a flower more specifically, and take a look at the parts of a plant. This is the part of the plant that sucks up water, holds water from the ground. As it rains, the roots help to keep that flower well fed with water. So the water will come up through the roots, and the roots also help to hold this beautiful flower in the ground. Then the water travels up through this part of the flower called the stem. The stem is like a straw. It sucks the water up to the rest of the flower. These two parts of the flower are the leaves. And the leaves spread out and say, "Come get me, sun. I need your beautiful sunshine to help me to grow." And finally, the flower will grow. These are the petals to the flower. And flowers come in all kinds of shapes and sizes and colors, don't they? So today, I have a story for you about some flowers. All kinds of beautiful flowers that will make up a flower garden. The story for today is called Flower Garden. The author of our story is Eve Bunting, and the illustrator is Kathryn Hewitt. Garden in a shopping cart. Doesn't it look great? Garden on the checkout stand. I can hardly wait. Garden in a cardboard box, walking to the bus. Garden sitting on our laps. People smile at us. Garden going up the steps, stopping at each floor. This garden's getting heavy. At last, our own front door. Hurry, hurry, get the trowel. Spread the papers thick. Get the bag of potting soil. Get the planting mix. Put purple pansies at each end, daisies white as snow, daffodils, geraniums, and tulips in a row. Look at all those gorgeous flowers. Garden in a window box high above the street. Where butterflies can stop and rest and ladybugs can meet. Walkers walking down below will lift their heads and see purple, yellow, red, and white, a color jamboree. Do you see them way up high? There they are. What a beautiful window box. Okay, so now is a great time to go out and plant some seeds and watch some flowers grow. Let's finish up with a little song about springtime. It goes like this. Leaves are growing on the trees, on the trees, on the trees. Leaves are growing on the trees. Spring is here. See the young birds in their nests, in their nests, in their nests. See the young birds in their nests. Spring is here. Watch the flowers start to grow, start to grow, start to grow. Watch the flowers start to grow. Spring is here. So go out and enjoy these beautiful spring days, and as you're outside, listen for the birds. Take a nice whiff. Smell the flowers and even the grass. You can smell it especially if it's freshly mowed. And look at the trees and watch as the flowers and the leaves start to bloom on the trees as well. So have a wonderful day. Hopefully I will see you soon. Bye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. We had lots of fun. Now it's time to say goodbye to each and every one. Hope to see you soon.